So you're looking in your wallet and your rubles are a little bit light. How do you get more rubles for your wallet? If you can, look up the local swap meet. You get a swap meet booth like this, 25 bucks for the day. And it's big enough to set up 4 10 by 10 tents. Every swap meet's different. Prices are different. But what you do is get down to the swap meet and take a look at stuff that you wouldn't mind owning yourself. And then walk around the swap meet and see how much people are selling items for. And then make a list of all those things that you wouldn't mind if you did buy them and you couldn't sell them and you were stuck with them. So find stuff that you know, stuff that you like. And then go to your garage sales and estate sales. And you want to go around to the garage sales if you can possibly get to the nice neighborhoods, get to the garage sales within the first couple hours of the sale. Because those good items are going to sell. So you want to get the good deal, good items in that first couple hours of the sale. A lot of garage sales are Saturday, Sunday. Sometimes you can go on Friday when they're setting up. Some people get mad, but sometimes you get your good deals. And then, of course, the last couple hours of the garage sale when they're just giving stuff away. And sometimes even when the sale's over, you can drive around some neighborhoods, and on Sunday night, when they're done with garage sales, there's just piles of free stuff. And, of course, only pick up the items that you've seen for sale at the swap meet. Then you go down to the swap meet and price your items. You want to very often price your items close to what everyone else is selling them for. Sometimes you want to put it a couple dollars or 10% higher than you want and let people know that you'll take offers. And that is just one way that you can add more rubles to your wallet. So you get yourself to the swap meet, and that is a way you can add more rubles to your wallet. Add more rubles to your wallet.